Hi students, welcome to our Sri Vishnu channel. Now today our topic is pair of straight lines. Now we discuss about G mains previous bits. Okay. Area of the triangle, the area of the triangle formed by the lines, the area of the triangle formed by the lines 4x square minus 9xy minus 9y square is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 is line. Now here first option is 20 by 3, second option is 3 and third option is 10 by 3, fourth option is 2. Now here comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Now here a is equal to 4, 2h is equal to minus 9 and b is equal to minus 9 and also L is equal to 1, M is equal to 0, N is equal to minus 2. Now the area is 2 into root of, M square into root of H square minus AB by modulus of AM square minus 2HLM plus BL square. Now the values substitute in this formula. Now we get the answer is 10 by 3. Okay. Now the area is 10 by 3. Okay. Write down. And y is equal to mx plus 1 of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 subtends an angle of measure 45 degree at the major segment of the circle, then the value of m is y is equal to mx plus 1. Now y minus mx is equal to 1 and here x square plus y square minus 1 into 1 whole square is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 1 into substituting the 1 value in this y minus mx whole square. Now here x square plus y square minus y square plus m square minus m square x square minus 2m. Now therefore a plus b is equal to 0. Now here x square coefficient is 1 minus x square coefficient is 1 minus m square plus y square coefficient is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is plus 1 minus 1 is cancelled. Now m square minus 1 is equal to 0, m is equal to plus or minus 1. Now see options in our material. Now here the answer is m is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, write down. Line, the pair of lines represented by 3ax square plus 5xy plus a square minus 2 into y square is equal to 0 to each other are perpendicular to each other for first answer, two values of a, and second option is for all a, and third option for one value of a, and fourth option for no values of a. Now here a plus b is equal to 0, but why? Given lines are perpendicular to each other. Now here the condition is a plus b is equal to 0. Here a is 3a plus b is y square coefficient a square minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is a square plus 3a minus 2 is equal to 0. Now the delta is positive. So exactly two values of two values of A, exactly two values of. Now the answer is two values of A. Now see the material. Okay, a pair of straight lines x square minus 2p xy minus y square is equal to 0, and x square minus 2qxy minus y square is equal to 0 be such that each pair bisects the angle between the other pair, then. Now first option is p is equal to minus q, second option is pq is equal to 1, and third option is pq is equal to minus 1, fourth option is p is equal to q. Now here first pair of line is angle bisects h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Now here 2h is equal to minus 2p, h is equal to minus p into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b. Here a is 1, b is minus of minus plus 1 into xy. Now here minus px square minus py plus py square plus 2xy minus 2xy is equal to 0. Now this is also minus term is common. Px square minus py square plus 2xy is equal to 0. Now this is a required pair of straight line. This is 1, and also second pair of line is 2, since 1 and 2 represents the two pair of lines. Now here x square coefficient is p, x square coefficient is 1, and xy coefficient is 2, whether xp by minus 1, xy coefficient is 2 by xy coefficient is minus 2q. Okay, now here this is xy coefficient is 2 and xy coefficient is minus 2q. Now comparing with p is equal to something. Now here p is equal to 1 by minus q. Now pq is equal to minus 1. Now here see the options in our material. Now the third option is pq is equal to minus 1. Okay, here the answer is pq is equal to minus 1. Okay, write down. The sum of slopes of lines given by x square minus 2c xy minus 7y square is equal to 0 is 4 times their product. Then the c has value. Now here first option is 1, second option is minus 1, third option is 2, fourth option is minus 2. Now here first of all let the slope of let m1 comma m2 be the two slopes of the pair of line, and also sum of the slopes of line, the sum of slopes of lines is the pair of line is 4 times of their product. That means sum of the slopes is equal to 4 times of the product of the slopes. That means m1 plus m2 is equal to 4 into m1 m2. Now here see the problem, sum of the slopes is equal to the 4 times of product of the slopes. Now here sum of the slopes is equal to 4 times of the product of the slopes. Now sum of the slopes is minus and 4 into product of the slopes is a by b. Now this is also comparing with pair of line. Here a is equal to 1, 2h is equal to minus 2c, h is equal to c, and now b is equal to minus 7. Now substituting the values in these conditions. Now minus 2h into h is equal to minus c by b, where is b? Minus 7 is equal to 4 into a1 by minus 7. Now this is cancelled. 2c is equal to 4 and c is equal to 2. Okay, now here option is third option. Here the answer is true. Okay, write down. One of the lines given by one of the lines given by 6x square minus xy plus 4cy square is equal to 0 is 3x plus 4y is equal to 0. Now then C is first option is 1, second option is -1, third option is 3, and fourth option is -3. Fourth option is -3. Now here the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 0, and this is 3x is equal to -4y, and minus 3x by 4 is equal to y. Now y value is minus 3x by 4. In this y value, substitute the pair of line. Now this is 6x square minus x into y minus 3x by 4 plus 4c into, in this y, minus 3x by 4 whole square is equal to 0. Okay, now here 6x square minus into minus plus 3x square by 4 plus 4c into 9x square by 16 is equal to 0. Here fourth term is cancelled 4 times. Now this is also LCM is 4. Now 4 6 are 24x square plus 3x square plus 3x square plus 9cx square is equal to 0, and this is 24x square plus 3x square is 27x square is equal to minus 9cx square. Now here x square term is cancelled, and this is 9 3 times, so 3 is equal to minus c, c is equal to minus 3. Now the answer is c is equal to minus 3. Now the option is 4. Okay, it's your material. Okay, write down. Yeah, bounded by the angle bisectors and the line bounded by the bisectors of the line represented by x square minus y square plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, and the line x plus y is equal to 3. Now first to pair of line separate the two lines. Now this is the pair of line x square minus y square plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now the pair of line split the lines. Okay, now here the pair of line, the separate lines is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we get the pair of lines split the two lines. Okay, now here x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and x plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now combine the equation to the we get pair of line. Okay, now here and also the line x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Solving these lines we get the points a 0, 1, b 2, 3 and c 0, 3. Okay, now the area is half into modulus of x1 minus x2 x1 minus x3 and y1 minus y2 and y1 minus y3. Now here substitute the points in this formula. Now we get area is 2 square units. Okay, 2 square units. Okay, write down. the pair of lines ax square plus 2 of a plus b into xy plus by square is equal to 0 lie along diameters of a circle and divide the circle into 4 sectors such that the area of one of the sectors is thrice the area of another sector then. Now here, if the pair of line is ax square plus 2 of a plus b into xy plus by square is equal to 0, and this is along the diameter of the circle. Now here diameter is the circle, this is the diameter. Now the center of the center lies on the line is called the diameter, and this is 4 parts, 1 2 3 4 parts. Okay, this is 1 and 2 and 3, this is 4 parts. Now here area of the diameter of the circle and divided into 4 sectors. Okay, and divided the 4 sectors. Now the area of one of sectors is the thrice, which is equal to the area of the another sector. Now here first of all, area of the sector is equal to half into r into 2 theta, and the area of one of the sectors is thrice and the area of the other sector, and this is a1 is equal to 3a2. That means theta 1 is equal to 3 theta 2, and we know that theta 1, now the diameter is an angle 180 degree. That means theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 180 degree. Now here theta 1 is substituting the value 3 theta 2 plus theta 2 is 180 degree, and this is 4 theta 2 is equal to 180 degree, and this is for 180 45 times, and this is theta 2 is equal to 45 degree. Now here cos theta, that means cos 45 degree is equal to modulus of a plus b by root of a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square. Now here cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and this is pair of line. We observe here a is a and b is b, and also root of a minus b whole square plus where 2h is equal to 2 of a plus b whole square. Now this is 1 by root 2 into is equal to a plus b by root of a minus b whole square, where 2 square is 4 into a plus b whole square, and this is squaring on both sides. That implies 1 by 2 is equal to a plus b whole square by a minus b whole square is plus 4 into a plus b whole square. Okay, now this is cross multiplication applying. A minus b whole square plus 4 into a plus b whole square is equal to 2 into a plus b whole square, and this is a minus b whole square plus 4 of a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 of a plus b whole square means plus 2 of a plus b whole square is equal to 0. Now here expanding with a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this is a plus b whole square formula. Now here 2a square plus 2b square plus 4ab is equal to 0. Now this is the required a square plus 2a square, this is 3a square, 4ab plus minus 2ab, this is plus 2ab, and this is 2b square plus b square, 3b square Now the required answer is 3a square plus 2ab plus 3b square is equal to 0. Now see the options in our material. Okay, now here once I repeat, if the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy O of a plus b into xy plus by square is equal to 0 lie along the diameter of a circle is the divided into 4 sectors. Divided into 4 sectors. That means one of the sector, another one of the sector, another one of the sector. Now the 4 sectors into divided the diameter. Now along the area of one sector of the thrice is equal to the another sector of thrice. That means a1 is equal to 3a2 and this is theta 1 is equal to 3 theta 2. The sum of the angle is 180 degree. That means theta 1 is equal to 3 to substitute the values in this theta value is 45 degree. Now this is cos theta is equal to modulus of a plus b root of a minus b whole square. Now the simplification part, that means the required answer is 3a square plus 2ab plus 3b square is equal to 0. Now that here the answer is this one. Now see options in our material. Okay, write down. If a vertex of a triangle is 1, 1 and the midpoints of two sides through this vertex are minus 1, 2 and 3, 2, then the centroid of the triangle is, now here let A midpoints B and A midpoints of the sides AC. Now see the diagram. This is the triangle one of the vertex A 1, 1 and this is AB side, AC side is the midpoint of D and the midpoint of E. Now here D is minus 1, 2 and this is E 3, 2. Now the coordinate of D, the coordinates of B is equal to something x, y. Now here the coordinates of B is equal to midpoint of AB, and D is the midpoint of AB. Now D is equal to the coordinates of D is the midpoint of B. D is the midpoint of AB. Now here minus 1, 2 is equal to 1 plus x by 2, 1 plus y by 2. Now this is minus 2 is equal to 1 plus x by 2. Minus 2 is equal to 1 plus x, minus 2 minus 1 is equal to x, x is equal to minus 3. And this is 2 is equal to 1 plus y by 2. And 4 is equal to 1 plus y. 4 minus 1 is equal to y, y is equal to 3. Now the b coordinate is minus 3, 3. And also similarly, let's see the coordinate x, y. Now here E is the midpoint of AC. Is the midpoint of AC. Now here is E 3, 2 is equal to 1 plus x by 2 by 1 plus y by 2. Here 6 is equal to 1 plus x and this is x is equal to 5 and 4 is equal to 1 plus y. 4 minus 1 is equal to y, y is equal to 3. Now the C coordinate is 5, 3. This is B coordinate is where is B coordinate is minus 3, 3 and C coordinate is 5, 3. Now the centroid of triangle ABC is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. That means 1 minus 3 plus 5 by 3 and 1 plus 3 plus 3 by 3, and this is 6 minus 3, 3 by 3 comma 7 by 3, and this is 1 comma 7 by 3. Now the centroid of the triangle is 1 comma 7 by 3. Now this is the centroid is 1 comma 7 by 3. Now see the options in our material. Okay, write down. One of the lines of m by square plus 1 minus m whole square into xy minus m x square is equal to 0 is a bisector of the angle between the lines xy is equal to 0, then m is options here. First option is 1, second option is 2, third option is minus 1 by 2, and fourth option is minus 2. Now here between the lines xy is 0, that implies x square minus y square is equal to 0. Now the angle bisect, that means h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Now here xy is 0 and this is 0. Now h is 0, therefore x square minus y square is equal to 0. Now here x square is equal to y square. Now here x square is equal to y square. That means mx square minus my square is equal to 0. X square is equal to y square. So satisfies the value m is equal to 1. Okay, now here m is equal to 1. Now this is first option is here. So the answer is 1. Okay. Distance between the parallel lines, distance between the parallel planes 2x plus 2y, 2x plus y plus 2z is equal to 8, and 4x plus 2y plus 4z plus y plus 5 is equal to 0 is. Now here, so this is two pair of lines. That means now multiplying 2 in equation 1. Now 4x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 18, and this is 4x plus 2y plus 4z is equal to 5. Now minus 5 is equal to 0, and this is minus 16 is equal to 0. Now the distance between parallel lines is modulus of d1 minus d2 by. Now this is three-dimensional plane. Now here the distance between two parallel lines is modulus of d1 minus d2 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now here d1 is minus 16 minus 5. This is minus of minus plus 5 by. Now d1 is plus 5 is equal to 0, and this is minus 5 by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Now this is a square 16 plus b square is 4 plus c square is 16. Now here 21 by 6 32 36 32 31 by 6. Now the third table is cancelled 7 times, and this is 3 times, and 2 times. So this is equal to 7 by 2. Now the distance between the parallel planes is 7 by 2. Okay, write down. If 2x square minus 5xy plus 2y square is equal to 0 represents represents two sides of a triangle whose centroid 1, 1, then the equation of the third side is, now here first option is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and second option is x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and third option is x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0, and fourth option is none of this. And this is let E be the midpoint of the third side. And this is B is equal to 3 by 2 into the centroid, and this is 3 by 2 into where is centroid 1, 1, and this is 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Now here the point lies on this the point D, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 lies on this x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now here 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 6 by 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is 3 is equal to 0. Now the point satisfies the line. Now this is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now the answer is x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and the first option is the answer. So this is the third side of the triangle. Okay, this is the now two sides of the pair of line, and this is the third side of the line. Okay, now we get the answer x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, students. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్, ఈ చాప్టరు ఈ వీడియోతో దాదాపుగా కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పటి వరకు ఎక్సర్సైజ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కానివ్వండి, టీచర్ టాస్క్, స్టూడెంట్ టాస్క్, బేసిక్ క్వశ్చన్స్, కాన్సెప్చువల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా మీ చేత ఫాలోఅప్లో పెట్టించుకుంటూ నేను మెయిన్ బిట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా నేను కవర్ చేశాను ఇక్కడ ఈ వీడియోస్లో. బట్ మీరు చేయాల్సింది ఏమంటే, ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో జీ మీన్స్, ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి నేను ఇక్కడ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో మీరు దానికి సంబంధించి మెయిన్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ సంబంధించి టీచర్ టాస్క్ కానివ్వండి, స్టూడెంట్ టాస్క్ కానివ్వండి, మెయిన్గా మీరు కూడా ట్రై చేయాల్సిన బాధ్యత మీ మీద ఉంది. ఓకే, ఏదైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే డైరెక్ట్గా వాట్సాప్ చేసి నన్ను అడగవచ్చు. ఓకే, ఈ రోజుతో ఈ చాప్టర్ అనేది కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ చాప్టర్తో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో కలుద్దాం. బాయ్ బాయ్, అంటిల్ దెన్ సీ యూ.